come across some old outdated oxygen bottles, and I'm going to make wind chimes out of them. So I got this one chucked up in the lathe. I've got it sanded down, getting ready to polish it. I'm not going to tell you how to cut the end out of one. You know, might not be the safest thing, but cut the valve off the top, cut the end, chucked it up in the lathe, sanded it down and polished it, and we're going to continue with that. Alright, we got pretty good polish on that. It's good enough for what it is. I'm going to paint the top a different color. And so we'll get started on making the rest of the pieces. Alright, we have our oxygen cylinder all painted. And then it's polished. I'm going to take a hole saw and cut out an 1/8 inch plate, the little striker that goes in there. And then the little thing down that hangs down and catches the wind and makes everything make the noise. So we'll get started with that. Alright, we have those pieces roughed out. That's the little striker that goes up inside. And then the little deal that catches the wind, kind of make it like a teardrop shape. We'll go get these on the belt grinder now and finish the shape, get them the way I like them, and get the edges all nice. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that shape. Got the edges all smooth. Got the edges all smooth. Now I need to drill a hole in the top of that for the wire so to catch the wind and move this thing around. Alright, we got all of our pieces made. And we're going to start assembling this thing. I got some heavy stainless wire and just made some hooks and hung a piece of chain. There'll be another piece of chain that attaches to this, goes up inside here, and that'll let it swing and do its thing. So we're going to get this started. Got all that together. I got that at the right length to be up inside there. I left this extra long so I could slide it through the hole in the end of that. When the wind blows it, it'll do that. Pretty good sound. Now we got that through there. I can cut this extra length of wire here. And then we'll just bend us another hook on the top of it. And then on this end, I took a length of chain and I split it where I could get this thing attached to it. And we'll just bend that together, and then it should hold everything on there. And that should be pretty much it. So, like I said, this is a part of a bigger project. This is just one piece to it, so there'll be more to come. Thanks for watching.